Let's make a quick recap of the things that you already learned about histograms. And here in Statistics AS, there's nothing actually new for you to learn about this. So what is a histogram? Is a graphical representation such as this one. It is used mostly to illustrate continuous data. Although if you have discrete data that is very big in number, you can still use it. The key point is that adjacent columns must be in histograms must touch. So if the amount of data that you have, if the data set is big, they can work as being actually touching each other. The vertical axis shows the frequency density and not the frequency. And how do you get the frequency density? You get it by dividing the frequency by the class width. All right. So if you divide the frequency by the class width, you have the frequency density, which means that the frequency is proportional to the column areas. If you need to get the frequency out of a histogram, you have to get the area. If you think of it, it makes sense. What is the area of each one of these bars? Is the class width times the frequency density. It comes from here. If the frequency density equals the frequency divided by the class width, then the frequency equals the frequency density times the class width, which is the formula for the area of a rectangle. In terms of content that you need to know, this is basically it. Most of the tips and tricks that you'll get regarding this particular topic comes from solving exercises. This is math after all, so that's why I advise you to look into the lessons that come after this to get used to the types of questions that you are going to find regarding histograms.